Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on Skype chat tricks. Maximize chatting on Skype with these features. So Skype chat tricks, maximize chatting on Skype with these features? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, here we enter the Skype application on our computer or laptop. Here I will provide some features in Skype chat. Here just go to the chat menu and enter the chat with our friends. Now here it is in the chat display. The first feature. Tap on this emoji icon. Now here there will be many choices. Here there are. Emoji allow users to express their emotions or reactions in a visual way. Adding nuance or expressing feelings such as smiles, sadness, or surprise. GIF, graphics interchange format, is a moving image that is often used to show funny and entertaining expressions or reactions in conversations. Stickers, on the other hand, are static or moving images or illustrations that can be used to convey messages or expressions in a more creative way. Next here there is an icon. Tap icon. Bold is used to emphasize important text by making it bolder. Italic is used to emphasize certain text by making it italic. Strike through is used to mark text that is not applicable or wants to be crossed out. Code displays text as code, with a monospaced font and no additional formatting. Insert link allows users to add hyperlinks. Send data. Allows users to easily send files such as documents, images, or videos to other contacts. Voice note. Allows users to send voice messages, which are useful when you want to convey more personal information or when text is not enough. Send contact. Allows you to share contact information, such as a phone number or Skype username, without having to retype it. Next here there are three dots at the bottom right of the screen. There are. The location feature allows users to send their location directly in a conversation. Next, video message allows users to record and send video messages, providing a more personal and expressive way to communicate. With the schedule a call feature, users can schedule a Skype call at a future time, making it easier to set up a meeting or call. The create pool feature allows you to create a poll or poll in a conversation, useful for gathering opinions or making decisions together. Next, send Skype credit allows users to send Skype credit to others to make international calls, send SMS, or purchase subscriptions. Finally, Discover Pilot gives users the opportunity to try out Skype's newest features that are still in the testing phase, giving them an early taste of upcoming updates. Show that's. Tutorial Skype chat tricks, maximize chatting on Skype with these features. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.